Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Being an Art Lover. In today's video, we are going to see how beautiful we can make this plain pen stand. So that's what the video is going to be today. For this, as usual, I'm going to take some acrylic colors, molded clay. It's available in all craft stores. It will cost you around 20 rupees for this pack. And one of the product I'm really excited for today's video is this one step crackle medium. So let's see what result is going to give us. So this is the most excited part for me in this video. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and press the notification button so that you'll not miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get into the video. As I tell in each and every of my video, always our first step will be applying gesso to our base material, whatever we are taking. It may be glass, wood or any MDF surfaces, anything. But I'm not going to use gesso today because it's already whitewashed. The reason why we are using gesso is to give a very good a base coat, so that our paints which we are applying on the surfaces will not get peeled off. That's the main reason why we are using gesso. But this one is already whitewashed, so this is the pack you get. It's already whitewashed, so I'm not going to use gesso on this. Directly I'm going to apply the paint. Let's start giving our base color. So for this one, I'm going to take this silver powder as the base color. You can't use the silver powder directly. You'll get a medium in the market. You have to mix them together to apply it on the coat. If you mix, you'll get the same paint type of consistency. You can also go with this sparkling pearl color of silver shade, which is available in the market. It will cost you like 20 rupees. Let's start applying our base color, that's silver, with a flat brush. I'll be applying 2 coats and allow it to dry completely. Okay friends, now our pen stand is completely dry after 2 coats of silver shade. Now it's time to apply our crackle medium. I'm going to apply this crackle medium with the help of this flat brush. As I mentioned before, this is the first time I'm using it, so even I'm not sure how the result will be. I'll be applying them on all the 4 sides, and let's allow the medium to dry completely. After more than 2 hours, the medium is completely dry. On this, let's start applying a black acrylic color. It's given in the box, like we can see the cracks only after our top coat is completely dry. But I don't think we have to wait, guys. I think it's visible in the camera. The cracks are already started forming. I thought I would have made some mistake because I'm using for the first time, but I think I got the result which I expected. That's looking really pretty. I have applied black acrylic on all 4 sides and it's completely dry now. You can see how beautiful the crackle is formed. I have done one of the major mistake, guys. I have not applied this crackle medium evenly on all the 4 sides. You can see there are difference in the crackle. It's stated in the bottle, such like tiny crackles will be formed when you use a thin layer, and such wider will be formed when you use a thick layer of this crackle medium. That was a mistake I did. So, but I don't think it's a problem. Still, it looks natural. You can stop at this point if you want, but I'll be going a step ahead and create some beautiful leaves with molded clay. Now let's start working with this molded clay. This is a small pack, you will get it in all craft stores. It will cost you around 20 rupees. Inside this pack there are two packages, one is the hardener and the other molded. You have to mix them together to work with them. It should be in 1:1 ratio, that is equal. And one thing to remember is, don't take too much and mix it, only take the sufficient amount because it gets harder quicker. Now you can see I have taken equal proportion of both the hardener and clay. I'll take some talcum powder on my hand and I'll start mixing them together. Just keep mixing, guys, until you get a smooth texture to work with it, and the color of this molded clay will turn into something like a milky white. So you have to keep mixing them until you get that texture and color. Yes friends, so it's almost ready. You can see it has turned into milky white and it's smooth in texture. Okay, now I'm going to make this molded clay into a thin sheet. I'll take some talcum powder and just start rolling it to get a thin sheet of this molded clay. Always have a baby powder or a talcum powder next to you when you are working with this molded clay. Now you can see it's ready. It's time to make some beautiful pattern with it. Let's start creating some beautiful leaves. For that I'm going to take this clay cutter. It's very easy to use this clay cutter, guys. You have to just place it and give a press, that's it. I think the leaf is ready. Let's take it out. Yes, so you can see how beautiful the leaf is formed. I'll just give a press in the tip to make it a little more natural. In the same way I have created few more leaves, so let them dry. By the time, let's start creating some stem on this pen stand. To create stem, it's really easy. I'll take some talcum powder first. Just take a little, mold it and start rolling. While rolling you have to just keep on stretching them on both the sides. Let me check the alignment. I think this length will be perfect. In the same way I'll create few more and twist them together to form a beautiful stem. So friends, our stem is ready. It's already, I have sticked it on pen stand. I have given a black acrylic shade. So I'm not going to leave it as it is. With this golden shade we'll be creating an antique look. For this, just take a little amount of golden shade on your fingertip. Remove the excess paint if there and start rubbing this golden shade on the pattern. That's it. It's really easy and it will give you a very beautiful look. You can see how beautiful it is looking. In the same way, let's create antique look for this leaf. I have already given a black shade. It's dry. So let's start applying the golden shade with the help of our fingertip. Now you can see how beautiful the leaf is looking. It's really amazing. So in the same way, I'll be giving the golden shade for all other leaves that I have created. The same way I have prepared all other leaves also. We are going to stick these leaves on this pen stand. For that you can use hot glue gun or Fevibond, but this time I am going to use this silicone glue of Itsy Bitsy. I love its result. Even you can give a try. I am going to stick all the leaves on this pen stand with the help of this silicone glue. If you are willing to purchase any of the product used in this video, I'll be giving the link in description. You can just check it out. So once I'm done with sticking all these leaves, I'll be giving a coat of varnish and that's it. Our pen stand will be ready. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press the notification button so that you'll not miss any of my upcoming videos. And here comes the final look, guys. Hope you all enjoyed my today's video. If you really like it, please give a thumbs up and do share with your friends. Start following me in Instagram. My Instagram ID is Being an Art Lover. Thank you.